Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Google Chrome web browser on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. See, the default web browser that comes with PopOS 24.04 is Firefox. Click on it. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome web browser, then download Chrome, then select 64-bit.debian package. Then click on this accept and install. Wait a moment. See, download started and its size is about 112 megabytes. Now open terminal. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal. CD downloads ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome stable current Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then Google, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Wrote the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the super user. Hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable version 143. We have successfully installed. Now go to applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default web browser, we have to select the checkbox. Otherwise, unselect it. If you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. Okay, I don't want, so I'm going to unselect both. Then click on OK. It is up to you. Don't want to sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Click on got it. Okay, so we have successfully installed Google Chrome web browser current stable version, that is 143 on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. So this file is not required anymore. I am removing it to clear the space. RM Google, press the tab to autofill enter Debian package name, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome current stable version, that is 143 on 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.